Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I do read them all, and I love reading them. I love hearing from you. Okay, y'all. The Republicans has a new skinny bill that they're trying to get passed. I'm sure you've heard about it, but it has a price tag of $500 billion. We still don't know exactly what's in this bill, but it looks like it's going to be extended unemployment benefits of $300 a week until December the 27th. That's not very much. Schools will get $105 billion, but we're not sure the breakdown of what type of schools will get how much. We just know it's $105 for schools. A second round of PPP money. $10 billion going to the post office. Legal protection to businesses and medical facilities. But in this proposal, there is no mention at all about stimulus checks. It has been said that they're keeping the stimulus checks out so they can use it as a bargaining chip. We'll have to wait and see on that. The Democrats will vote on this post office bill on Saturday. Now, around 50 Democrats has told Pelosi and Schumer that we need to pass a partial bill to help the American people. They say if we can come back to Washington to vote on the post office bill, a standalone bill for them, then we can vote on a stimulus check bill for the people. With so many Democrats wanting to pass a bill for the stimulus check, if Pelosi does not do this, then why do they even vote on any bill? Because it's boiling down to Pelosi's on the Democrat side, Mooch McConnell is on the Republican side. It's boiling down to where it looks like it's only what they want. So why do they even vote? Why can't they just say, this is what I want, this is how it's going to be? Because the voting we see right now, it really don't do any good. Pelosi and Mooch McConnell are both holding this up with their games. They're playing with people's lives and livelihood. Y'all, I'm not picking on either side. And I'm not saying just Mooch McConnell and Nancy Pelosi is to blame. President Trump's to blame. The federal people are to blame. The House is to blame. Everyone's to blame. That's why I'm saying in November we got to vote every one of them out of office. If they're in office now, we got to vote them out. This will show the next group of politicians that comes into office that we're in control and we're not playing games. If they don't do what we need them to do, we will vote them out. I think it will help in the next group of politicians. Y'all, remember them in November and vote them out. If they're in office right now, vote them out. Who cares what side of the party line they're on? If they're in there, vote them out. Y'all got another video coming later on today. Please come back and watch that. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments and watch these videos at the end. It would help me tremendously. If you've already watched them, just click on them and let them play for a minute and then click off. It would really help my channel. Y'all, I love you all. You are my extended family. I spend more time with y'all than I do with my own family. I love you all. Until later. Ciao.